All right, guys, we got $142 in there. We're playing $4.50. Let's try to get it. We need 3 coins or just a random bonus with the money. Come on. They can trigger at any time. Hopefully soon. That's a good one. Oh yes, that's a good one. That's $60. That's a good one. Come on, let's get the Grand Train. Oh, it stopped on the minor. On the mini, actually. Oh, it's going to give us another one. Ooh, the gold, okay. Can we get one more, maybe? Oh, that's it. Alright, well, let's see what it's going to do. I'm playing 2 cents. Oh, 30. So each one of those gold things is $60. Oh, just one. What the hell's going on there? So now we get the gold train. So each caboose is $70.60. Come on, let's get like 20 of them. Oh, we got 5. Okay, so that's like 300 some bucks. Not bad. $353. Alright, that's okay. We can probably get another one soon. Let's get the 3 coins, would be good. That's a little something. $16. Come on, 3 coins. The needle's acting like it's gonna do something. Come on, do something. It takes you to the end and then it messes with you. Come on, 3 coins. One, 2. 2. Come on, let's get some coins. 3 of them. At least 3 of them. Maybe 4. Maybe 5. Oh, that would have been a good one. Come on, we're getting all these big numbers, but then nothing. Come on, I'm gonna stop at 300. If it doesn't give me anything, I'll take my winnings. And oh, there's a good one. No. Oh, that would have been $120 each one. One more, come on. One more. It teases you so much, keeps giving you 2 coins, try to keep you in the game, but I'm out, man. They didn't give it to me. I'm stopping at 300. Now one more spin. Give it to me here. No? No. All right, we're gonna cash out. We made 100 something. Better than nothing.